So guys, welcome to another monthly catch up, season 2, section 18. So as of last month, I was saying we have some souvenir bag to make. These are the bags we'll be making. We'll be making drawstring bag and some tote bag just like this, but with customized name on it. As you guys can see, these are the design here, and the drawstring bag I think is on the other side. Let me just show you briefly. Yes, these are just the rough measurements we initially make this customized, each one for a client, and someone saw it and they'll fall in love with it and they want it. So the process is just still going now. Those bags are still here. We've not delivered them. In a week time we are going to send them out, and you see we have enough stuff at the workshop again compared to last month when I show you. We've bought everything for this bag we're making. Like, we have more fabrics. We have fabric here, and even yesterday I bought some actually fabrics again. I went to the market for shopping, bought some fabrics and the thread to make some cap. I actually make some cap, but I didn't get to show them here. I might just include the picture in after this for you guys to see. Then all this too as well, all this too is included. I also make one of this bag. I don't know if it's in last month's catch up, but if it's not there, when I'm editing, when we check, we're going to show the picture so that you guys can see how it looks. So this is the rope for the bag we are making, the drawstring bag. The rope are cut and ready, counted and complete. The eyelet is actually there, and the rest of the stuff we'll be using to make those bags. But right now I'm the only one working here. I'm just going to continue with my work. I might try my best to film a time lapse for you guys so that you learn a little bit from this. If I'm not able to film a time lapse, I will just come back later on to talk about how you can charge all the measurements to make something related to this. I might talk about the measurement, and maybe later on in a subsequent video I might talk about how you can charge for you to do the monogram and work like this and be able to make a living out of this. So guys, thank you for being here. For those who have subscribed, we really appreciate you. Welcome to another beautiful year, season 2, section 18. I'll see you at the continuation of the monthly catch up. So guys, this is the update from a few days ago, what we were working on. Actually, the black one, we finished it. We even finished one of the drawstring blue. Yeah, blue, but it's not here. We'll bring it back later on. So this one, we sew all the front pocket to it. So later on we'll be fixing all the hand, make sure we finish everything in no time, in a few days. So we'll keep you guys updated how it's going. Probably you see some time lapse on the work we'll be doing, just like you've watched recently. So you watch the rest too as we proceed with the rest of the work. Enjoying the monthly catch up, and I'll see you guys in the continuation. So guys, this is how the process is still going. We are doing it. You guys have watched time lapse when I was trying to make that yellow one and this particular one. This one are almost ready, but we still need to fix the eyelets to it. The eyelet is inside those nylon there and the rest of the rope as well. We have few rope at the other side. So the red one is what I will be finishing up now, and it's already getting late. I will try to finish it up because we have to deliver this today. We have no choice. We have to deliver it today, but it's possible I can call the client and deliver it within a few days or maybe tomorrow morning, but we need to finish this today. That's just what I'm trying to do. So thank you guys for being here. You will see the rest of the making. So guys, this is what is going on. We are done with everything after a few days, but the drawstring now we are about to start fixing the eyelet. So we have to punch a big hole with the punch. When you punch the hole, then you use the machine to fix the eyelet to it. So everything is ready, and it's 50. This is 20, the other one is 30. We'll run that quickly. I might not show you time lapse, but after we finish everything, I will try my best to show you. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. We are done with all the work now. As you can see, everywhere is clean. We've cleaned up and tidied up the shop. For this stuff now, we'll be delivering them with 4 of this bag. This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Delivering them, not the same person, but almost the same location. But we'll be doing that this morning. And these are the drawstring bag. I've packaged everything. This is the extra we make. Keeping here, I just package all this one now. So I'll be packaging all this one, and that will be all for this month. I hope you guys really enjoyed this and learned from it. Next month we'll see you with the rest of the monthly catch up. I do appreciate you guys who have subscribed, those who watch to this extent, and those who always share our video and give us a giant thumbs up. If you have any question concerning something like this, you can send it. No matter where you are in the world, we can make something like this for you, or even something better. It depends on your taste and what you want. We can make souvenir, send it out to no matter where you are. Even if you are in Nigeria, you can search for us. As you can see, we are legit. We do everything on time and we always deliver. So I really appreciate you. Thank you. Don't forget to give this video a giant thumbs up and leave in the comment section down below if you have any question or what you think on this particular one. Yeah, I said I will be sitting down to talk about the measurement of this, or the how you can price this, but I don't think I'll be doing that in this month catch up because I have been so busy and so stressed. Maybe in one of the video I will just get 1 or 2 to just talk more about it, then give you guys the update how it comes. So see you at the continuation. No, not continuation, this is where it will be. Hey, see you in the next one.